Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Kakashingsen. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Do you make these affiliate mistakes? You've just come across a fantastic product and you're thinking of signing up as affiliate, but before you get carried away, here are a few pointers that can save you both time and money. 1. Is the sales letter any good? Read the headline first. It's been shown that a good headline makes a big difference. It's been proven that 75% of people make up their minds of purchasing a product just from reading the headline alone. Is the rest of the sales letter any good? Do you find yourself reading being drawn through the sales letter? Would you buy the product yourself? If you would, others probably would as well. 2. Are there any leaks on the sales page? By leaks I mean, are there anything on the web page to distract your visitor from making a purchase or a way for you could lose out a commission? For example, asterisk phone numbers that the buyer could order from and deal directly with the seller, causing you to lose out on a commission. Asterisk email addresses for the same reason as above. Asterisk excessive pop-ups or slow-loading web pages that can frustrate your prospect. People on the internet want everything in an instant, so don't expect them to hang around. 3. Are there any testimonials on the sales page? The more testimonials the better, especially showing how the person has benefited from using the product. 4. What kind of guarantee is being offered with the product? Is it 30, 60-day risk-free guarantee? Don't worry about a longer guarantee costing you money and people asking for their money back, as it's been shown that the longer the guarantee, the less refunds you'll get. 5. If you can, buy the product so you know yourself if it's any good. There's no point sending traffic to a website, making some commissions, and then finding out the product's poor quality and everyone wants their money back. These tips should save you a lot of time and frustration when looking for a product to become an affiliate of. And remember, not everyone's surfing the web is going around with their wallet open looking to purchase something, so don't be disheartened if you get a lot of no before you get a yes. We hope we will achieve our objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24x7.com. Kakashingsen pays you to have fun. Kakashingsen.net